1975 D USA 1-cent coin. Hidden treasures worth millions. Welcome back, coin enthusiasts and treasure hunters. Today we're diving deep into the world of pennies, but not just any penny, the 1975 D USA 1-cent coin. At first glance, it might seem like just another coin you'd find in your pocket change, but what if I told you that some rare versions of this penny are worth thousands, even up to millions? In this video, we'll uncover the history, design, and minting errors that make certain 1975 D pennies so valuable. We'll also discuss real auction sales where collectors paid huge sums for these coins. So, grab your coin jars and let's get started. Historical background. 130. The 1975 D Lincoln cent was minted during an interesting time in U.S. history. The country was just coming out of the turmoil of the Vietnam War, the Watergate scandal had recently ended, and America was celebrating its bicentennial spirit leading up to 1976. Economically, the U.S. faced high inflation, which significantly impacted coin production. The U.S. Mint in Denver, indicated by the D Mint mark on the coin, produced over 4.5 billion pennies in 1975 to meet public demand. Despite the high mintage, some rare errors and varieties make specific coins from this year highly collectible and extremely valuable. Design and features. 345. The 1975 D penny features the iconic Lincoln cent design, which has been a staple since 1909, created by Victor David Brenner. Obverse, front, details, portrait, Abraham Lincoln, facing right. Inscriptions, "O in God we trust," along the top rim. "O Liberty" to Lincoln's left. "O 1975" to the right, with the D Mint mark below the date, indicating it was minted in Denver. Reverse, back, details, design, the Lincoln Memorial, designed by Frank Gasparo in 1959, replacing the original wheat ear design. Inscriptions, "O United States of America." Along the top. "O e pluribus unum" above the memorial. "O 1 cent" at the bottom. Metal composition. The 1975 D penny was made of 95% copper and 5% zinc, weighing 3.11 grams. This composition remained standard until 1982 when pennies were switched to primarily zinc. Rare errors and valuable varieties. 6 o'clock. Now, here's where things get exciting. Most 1975 D pennies are only worth face value, but certain errors and varieties can make them worth thousands or even millions. Let's break down the most valuable ones. 1. Double die obverse, DDO. This error happens when the coin die strikes the design twice slightly off, creating a noticeable doubling effect. Look for doubling in God we trust, Liberty, and the date 1975. Value. Some 1975 D DDO pennies have sold for over $15,000 at auctions. 2. Off-center strikes. This error occurs when the coin is not properly aligned during minting, leading to an off-center design. A 50% off-center strike with visible date and mint mark can fetch between $500 to $2,000. Rare examples with dramatic off-centering and clear details have sold for over $5,030. Repunched mint mark, RPM. This error happens when the D mint mark is stamped more than once but in a slightly different position. Collectors seek clear RPMs, and some have sold for $1,000 or more. 4. Struck on the wrong planchet. Sometimes a penny is mistakenly struck on a foreign coin blank or even a dime planchet. A 1975 D penny struck on a dime planchet recently sold for $12,500 at auction. 5. Full red, RD, uncirculated coins. High-grade, uncirculated 1975 D pennies with full red luster are rare and valuable. Coins graded MS67 RD or higher can fetch over $7,500. Auction sales. 1030. Let's look at some real-life examples of 1975 D pennies that sold for big bucks. 1. Double die obverse sale. In 2021, a 1975 D penny with a strong DDO graded MS65 RD sold for $18,000 at a major coin auction. 2. Off-center strike sale. A 1975 D penny struck 60% off-center, showing partial design elements, sold for $4,000 in 2020. 3. Wrong planchet error sale. In 2019, a 1975 D penny mistakenly struck on a silver dime planchet sold for a jaw-dropping $12,500.40. High-grade full red sale. A 1975 I. D penny graded MS67RD sold for $7,800 in 2022. These auctions prove that even a simple penny from 1975 can turn into a life-changing treasure if it has the right features. Why some pennies are worth millions. 1,400 hours. While the 1975 D penny hasn't yet sold for millions, experts believe that rare varieties in perfect condition could fetch 6 or even 7 figures in the future. Here's why. 1. Rarity. The rarer the error or variety, the higher the value. 2. Condition. Coins in MS67RD or higher grades command top dollar. 3. Historical significance. Coins from the 70s are becoming more collectible as they age, especially with unique minting errors. Some collectors believe there are undiscovered errors from the 1975 D mintage that could easily break into the $1 million range. How to find valuable 1975 D pennies. 1630. 1. Check your pocket change. You never know, you could have a rare error penny hiding in plain sight. 2. Use a magnifying glass. Look for doubling in inscriptions or repunched mint marks. 3. Weigh your coins. A 1975 D penny should weigh 3.11 grams. Anything significantly lighter or heavier could indicate a mint error. 4. Professional grading. If you think you've found something special, have your coin graded by PCGS or NGC to verify its authenticity and condition. So there you have it, the 1975 D USA 1 cent coin is more than just pocket change. While most are worth only a cent, rare varieties and errors can turn these coins into treasures worth thousands and potentially even millions. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more coin collecting adventures. Drop a comment below if you have a 1975 D penny or let us know what rare coins you found. Until next time, happy hunting and may your pocket change bring you riches beyond your wildest dreams. Thanks for watching. Money Egg Magnifying Glass Tilted Left Sparkles.